Here are 6 amazing things about the Scabiosa flower. The flowers are composed of a central pincushion-like structure known as the capitulum. The Scabiosa genus is native to Europe, particularly the Mediterranean region. However, they have been cultivated and naturalized in many other parts of the world. The plants are popular in gardens for their attractive flowers and ability to attract pollinators like butterflies and bees. They prefer full sun or partial shade and well-drained soil. The flowers are associated with several meanings, including purity, joy, and even love. They are sometimes used in floral arrangements and bouquets for weddings and other special occasions. Medicinal uses. Some species within the Scabiosa genus have been traditionally used in herbal medicine. They were believed to have various properties, including anti-inflammatory and diuretic effects.